Presenting the all-new Gurilla Renessa Smart Plus, an IoT-enabled ceiling fan from the house of Atomberg. It can be operated with Gurilla smartphone application and works with Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant by the use of voice control. Gurilla Renessa Smart Plus comes with a super energy efficient BLDC motor which consumes only 28 watt at highest speed that saves up to Rs 1,500 per year and runs 3 times longer on inverter battery. Gurilla Renessa Smart Plus comes with a dust resistant coating. The blades are designed to deliver a superior airflow. Now make your home smarter with Gurilla Renessa Smart Plus from Atomberg.